Hello friends, crafties, welcome back to my channel. How your day is going? I hope it's fun and enjoyment. So today I'm making a vintage theme sticker scenery book. So I was waiting I was trying to make it from a long time, but I don't know, I just couldn't make it. Maybe I didn't have much ideas to make the floral designs, so I am not very good with making florals, but I have tried my best in the video. And if you too are not good at it, it's okay, we will learn it by practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. So yes, I'm drawing some very easy flowers, like this one is tulip, very easy to make, and some vintage writings you can add to it, it's very fun, and some stamp designs. So this is rose, not very good, but it's okay. I'm still trying and to be good at it. You can add your own designs to it. And first, for the background, I have used pastel colors, Tom's sketch pens. You can use watercolors too, and in the later section of the video I have shown how to use watercolor. So same way, I have used different designs, not only flowers but some different also. So you can have a variety of ideas to make it. So yes, here I am using watercolors, vintage shades of color, brown, dark green and pale yellow kind of, and a mix of all them. Yes, and some writing, like I said, you can use some writing, cursive writings, and some stamp designs. I'm making it all freehand. You can use some scale or some circular thing to make the circle. This one is postcard theme, and of course leaves design. You can use many, like doodle flowers kind of. And this one is lavender. I love lavender and it's very easy and fun to make. This one is doodle leaves, very simple. This one is background paper, just check one. This one is stamp and a vintage letter. This one is also stamp, making some stamp design at the corner, and one more, and adding some floral in the center of it. I'm making very basics floral, like not very hard kind of, so you can also easily make them. And these are Ohuhu brush pens. These are quite good, like very small, for making journals and coloring also. I think it's worth it to buy them. This one is dandelions. I know it's not very good, but it will work. Leaves again. And this one is I'm making a vintage clock. Our time is limited, and more than that, we need to understand that our energy is also limited on a daily basis. So yes, and this one I'm using some old papers, like this one is from my old book. And this one is sunflower. This is also easy to make. Adding some leaves to it. Adding the papers added a very good look to these vintage stickers. And yes, to stick them I am not using any kind of thing at the back of it, but you can use double-sided tape or just use simply glue to stick them. And this one is again lavender, my love for lavender. And this one is doodle one. This one is a tree and some leaves, downfall kind of. And yes, for this one I'm making for the front of the sticker book. So adding all the themes that I have made here and there, some leaves and some stamps and some more colors. So this is the cover of it, a dark maroon, dark red color paper. So these are all the stickers that I have made. Loved how it turned out. So yes, we will stick them together. For that I have used a very thin paper and Fevicol. Let it dry, completely dry, then use the glue to stick it to the cover and let it again dry. Once it's completely dry, it's ready. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did, and for more such videos stay tuned.